咪係嘛？啦，錄晒成個樣就得噶啦。OK。好啦，呢度有個公仔啊，喂，呢啲公仔哇，誒，最緊要呢個啊，大佬你真係睇樣就話冇啫話，嚟要寫字㗎啦，嗰度得，係嘛？我啲糖啊，嚟，等我。呢啲勁嘢啦，Cheese Maker Donald。哇！呢個地方好靚啊，個個都嚟呢度啊！你咪話小瑞士村 Sugar Creek， 哎呀 ，sorry， 踩死人哋啲草啫大鑊。呢個就係個名啦 ，Sugar Creek 啊，哇，幾犀利！喂。睇下嗰邊就算數。佢有個介紹嚟睇先，睇下介紹先。下邊仲有個嘢又唔知咩嚟嘅，睇先。呢個地方叫做咩名咧？叫做 Ohio Historic Maker。咁犀利呢個？呢個遮住個位先，整走佢先。OK，good 啦。全部係嗰啲鋪頭喺度，哦，呢個攤就咁噶啦。哎呀，哇，好鬼熱就真，熱到飛起咯，唔好搞啦，走啦。Memory 呢條友啊，呢度有啲點解 Memory 嘅咧？走啦。啊？嗰度啊嘛，好似 ice cream shop 啊，問下佢先。呢度影。你媽去咗嗰邊咯，走啦，等個燈搞掂就得啦。Sugar Creek information， 睇呢度咧，250週年啦，250啦 ，anniversary， 勁啦。最緊要一陣睇埋嗰個啊，真係好快啫。得啦，一陣先啦。哇 ，Sugar Creek Museum， 犀利啦，真係唔係呃你噶啦。good 嘛？跟我啦。呢啲都屋企嗰啲瑞士嘅屋咁樣咁靚喎。瑞士嗰啲真係靚，呢啲服裝，哇正，呢個爐頭都靚過人啦，就算張凳都好靚，啲台，有得焗，係啲古董，貴嘛？呢啲古董嗰啲 calendar 好靚。啊？哇，瑞士啊！哇！瑞士芝士，犀利啦！呢個真係阿爾卑山丘地方，哇！真係勁咧，真係呃你㗎，真係真嘢嚟㗎，全部係嘛？呢啲衫機。好似有3層係嘛嗰隻？
Swiss cheese maker for a greater surface area for faster heating to keep it from scorching. Rennet was added to make the milk thicken. A cheese harp was used to cut the curd into pieces the size of kernels of corn. The cheesemaker then used a scoop to work the mixture and heated it to a final temperature of 120 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Constant flow of cold spring water into the stone trough was used to cool the rennet and to wash the utensils. Because cheesemaking was a summertime business and the fireplace drew intense heat, the water often quenched the cheesemaker's thirst as well. The cheesecloth was used to dip the hot curds from the whey. The heavily laden cloth was dropped into a cheese hoop on the draining bench, and a wooden disc was placed on top of the curds. This homemade press formed the cheese. The newly made green cheese in the hoop was turned several times during the night, and the whey ran into a wooden bucket. The farmers took the whey home the following morning and fed it to their hogs. Our 1890 cheesemaker, by noontime, had put in a strenuous 7 hours of work. But those were the good old days, where bells like these in the fall were placed on the cows coming down from the mountain, celebrating the end of the summer season. 1890, and our immigrants whisked cheesemaker arose before first light, and donned these metal-pleated shoes to prevent slipping on the wet floors. He then began to kindle a fireplace blaze of hardwood to prepare a bed of coals for letting fresh milk dry by horse-drawn milk. A can of milk, 160 pounds of coal, was quickly weighed on the steel yard scale and tallied by the farmer's name on a slate blackboard. The farmer was paid for the milk by the hundredweight. The handmade kettle, imported from Switzerland in the late 1800s, held 1,600 pounds of milk and made a reel of cheese which weighed about 125 pounds. 13 pounds of milk were needed to make a single pound of this cheese. Note the kettle's larger bottom. It was designed to give a greater surface area for faster heating. After filling the kettle with a 1 hour old fresh milk, the cheesemaker heated it to 92 degrees Fahrenheit.
Người là cơm rồi, khó này mình tấu rồi con gì. Sugar Creek, Ohio. Mình gục rồi. Theo ai coi chỉ là một chiều đi à? À? Thịt cái? Sẽ thì cái sập gì? Wow, cái crack勁啦，係咁樣轉。有縮幾水喺度。慢啲啊！呢啲人哋眼花啦。哇！呢啲金牌嗱咁樣啦，開始啦，再落一個落停咗佢1-2秒到啊！再另而家咁樣開住佢，錄咗落1-2秒啦 ，OK， 咁啊落呢度，嗱咁啦，1-2秒 ，OK， 係嘛？再落嚟呢度1-2秒啦，我喺晒度啦，係嘛？再嚟呢度1-2秒 ，OK， 再嚟呢度1-2秒啦 ，OK。我錄咗呢度啦嘛，咁我或者整喺呢度咁樣，啊，即係呢度，我得啦嘛，停圍車路咁樣個都，好啊，明唔明啊？先開始佢，唔需要一齊嘅，任睇嘅啫。哦，木工啊，全部整木嗰啲工具， 犀利真係犀利，工具係嘛？全部都係烏牛獨落啦，就使講啦，真係全部係呢啲咁嘅嘢㗎。嗰陣時啲行李箱咁大個嘅咩？好犀利喎，好大隻喎，唔係話喎，唔怪之得咁勁啦。
Once this type was set, proofs were taken on the proof press. The proofs were read, corrections made, and then the paper. 1,600 pounds. In the cabinet below the stone are racks for wooden spacing material of varying thicknesses and lengths. The narrow pieces of wood are known as regulars placed on the press. Anything from a 12 by 18-inch poster to a sheet the size of a postage stamp. On anything from tissue paper to heavy cardboard. This printing process was continued with little change until 1916, when the first linotype was provided. This linotype is the last of the hot metal typesetting machines to be discarded. It is a Model 14 and was one of the mechanical wonders of its day. It can set type in sizes from 6-point to 30-point. Large headings, etc., were set from the type in the metal cabinet. All of the reading matter was set from the linotypes. The operator to set type. These matrices, each bearing the mold of a letter, has been assembled, taken to the magazine, and each one distributed towards computerized typesetting and offset printing today here at the Alpine Hills Historical Museum.
Smith crafted tools thus was often a jack of all trades.
粟米好犀利。哇，Sugar Creek 好出名啊！錄㗎啦，係嘛？錄完啦，幾秒啦，我咪去到邊度錄得咁錄就得㗎啦。開始咁咯，佢有幾秒啦，咪刪咗佢咯。嗱，好似呢度咁樣啦，你話唔想停㗎啦，你咪慢慢移佢一個方位，移佢一個方位，再移嗰個方位咁咯。
Lots of metal used to punch holes. Blacksmiths were other tools were invented to help with blacksmithing, such as the multifunction tool and drill press. Some of the items on display were donated and used by local smiths, Bob Parks, and the Jacob brothers, Gilbert and Robert. We hope you enjoy.
OK 喎，呢度幾靚，正。有啲床嚟嘅，佢哋住嗰陣時，好犀利。呢幾度有兩個櫃攞去睇住先。呢邊啦，咁樣嘅啦。槍 ，Sensible policy。哦，剪髮鋪嚟嘅，坐喺呢度剪髮嘅。以前嗰啲油山呢度剪，咁犀利啊！個雲靚靚啊！呢啲就係嗰啲時裝嚟嘅應該啦，咁犀利。Fireplace ，fireplace 嗰個就係嗰個火爐，壁爐叫做，壁爐叫做。呢啲係 typewriter 攞嚟打字，擺張紙落去咁啊，突咁打嗰啲字出嚟咯。你而家好似撳好咗個電腦俾你哋，開心啊！而家啲舊相啊，嗰啲相機啊，舊式嘅相機，犀利。柯達，柯達最出名嗰陣時柯達， 仲有啲舊㗎啦，呢個就係睇住影啊咁樣嗬，哦犀利真係，古代嘅留聲機喺度，犀利。
So mixed up among the people are familiar with Pennsylvania Dutch because often there they allemaal in the city.
呢個舊式嘅音樂。
I can't hardly believe that I could be so happy. Ralph Miller made those assuming hickory.
呢個就係啲
With the thin hickory
舊式嘅。 Almost got inside.
He said, don't play every note to scale.
Looks like my pants. Oh.
呢個 figure 真係，呢個織布機嚟嘅。小瑞士小瑞士博物館，阿爾卑山丘博物館叫做阿爾山丘博物館。